So if you look at my laptop screen, if you look at my computer screen, you will see what this girl said to me. She told me that she will make her first 3 million before she turns 19, and she actually did it. She made her first 3 million naira, that is $3K, through testnet airdrops. So in this video I'm going to show you a testnet airdrop like this, which you can participate and position yourself for their upcoming airdrop. So the airdrop is actually, the testnet airdrop is actually Xterio. So you can see that they raised 55 million US dollars. So you can see it here on cryptorank.io. So to get registered to participate in this airdrop, all you have to do is click on the link in this video's description, or you check the comment section. You also see the link there. So once you tap on the link, you will get to this place. So once you get to this place, all you have to do is you connect your wallet. So I've already connected my wallet here. So you can connect MetaMask. You can see, this is my MetaMask wallet extension. So if you are using an Android phone, you can go ahead and use Kiwi browser. Then follow these steps which I'm about to show you right now. So once you have connected your wallet, it's going to tell you, once you connect your wallet, tap on this icon here, this wallet icon here. Then it's going to tell you to generate or create your Xterio wallet. So go ahead and tap on it. You see it somewhere here, then you tap on it. It's going to generate your Xterio wallet for you. So you actually need this Xterio wallet for many things. The first thing is that if you use your MetaMask wallet to complete task here, you are going to need BNB as gas fee. But if you use Xterio wallet, you are not going to need BNB as gas fee. Like it's going to be free for you to claim your points. So the task you do on this website is actually to befriend their AI. You can see what they say here. You can see what they wrote here. Befriend AI, win its favor, and earn XTER. Like XTER is their token. So once you come to this page, you see this particular place. Then you tap on it. That is when you have connected your wallet. So you tap on it. Then once you have tap on it, you can see where it says befriend AI, win its favor. Then you tap on this place again. So once you tap on it, you come to this page. Then you scroll down. Then you come to this page that it says invite friend. Just tap on it. You tap on go. Then here you are going to paste. You are going to see my invitation code. Then you paste it here. So once you paste this here, you tap on confirm. That's the first thing. That's the second thing you will do after you have connected your wallet. The reason for that is that if you do not put my invitation code, they are going to be giving you only 1 point for each task you do. But if you use my invitation code, you are going to be getting 3 points. And remember, the more points you accumulate, the higher your airdrop allocation. You understand? So make sure you put the invitation code. Then once you have put it, you have pasted it here, you tap on confirm, and then it's going to tell you that you have successfully activated the multiplier. So my invitation code serves as multiplier. You understand? So make sure you do that. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and start completing this task. So let's go ahead and complete this task. You can see the one I have already completed. Let me find the one that is easy. So you can see this one is say post a tweet on X. Then this one is retweet on X. So you just go ahead and tap on it, go. I'm just using this one as an example. Tap on go. Then it's going to take you to Twitter, which is now known as X. So let's retweet this post. So you can see where it says repost. You tap on it. Then you go back to that place. Now you can see where it says claim. So tap on claim. Then you can see that if you use Bybit wallet, you are going to be getting 2 points. But if you are going to use Bybit wallet, you are going to be that means you will need BNB as gas fee. So what you are going to tap on is this particular one that will give you 1 point. But remember, once you have activated once you have used my invitation code, your points will be multiplied. So this 1 point now is not what I'm going to get since you have already activated that point. So you tap on claim. Then you are going to change this thing, change it to Xterio wallet. Remember, this one is the MetaMask that I connected. So I'm going to use Xterio wallet. So see what I did here. that on default, by default, the wallet that we're showing here is your MetaMask wallet. So, but you're going to change it. So you tap on this place, then select Xterio wallet. You see this. Look at that thing that I'm telling you now. Like if you use your MetaMask, you see what it says. Let me show you. You see that insufficient gas. That is BNB. But if you use Xterio wallet, you see it will disappear. And then you tap on confirm and you claim your point. So it's currently loading. So I'll tap on confirm. So you can see the transaction is being proceeded. See your transaction succeeded. So I've already claimed this point. So I tap on done. So I'll go ahead and do other tasks like a post on X. Then there's another important thing here that if you scroll up here, you will see that you remember that the main purpose of this particular, that's the main purpose. The main thing we'll be doing here is to befriend their AI, win its favor and earn extra. Like we are going to be interacting with their AI, which is just like ChatGPT. You can see the AI here. So they will give you my scenario, like what the task they will give me will be different from your own. So in my own case, they told me, you can see the instruction here, that they said Moon is a renowned cryptocurrency trading AI. So I'm going to use this thing to interact with this bot now. So my own task will be different from yours. So in my own case, I'm going to interact with this based on what they gave me here. You understand? So it's very easy to do. You can see, well, then you see that the chances is 3. So don't misuse these chances. The chances are just 3. So don't misuse it. So you'll be completing these tasks daily. Like you have to complete it daily to be earning your points. And make sure you take this airdrop seriously, because if you go here, if you come over here, this is the instructions. I think is here. You can see that this particular event duration is December 12th to December 27th. So we only have few days to participate in this particular airdrop. You understand? You only have few days before this event ends. So you have to take it serious. Make sure you complete tasks daily. You understand? Even if you can invite people, you invite them. Maybe you send them the link like this, the link of this particular video to them. You understand? In order to guide them. You understand? So make sure you participate daily. And then another thing again is don't create multiple accounts here. They say that if they catch you operating multiple accounts, they are going to ban all of them and you're not going to receive any reward. So make sure you're using only one account. They mention it here. If you scroll down here, you see where they say it here. You can see it here. This is the number 6. They say you are strictly prohibited from engaging in a CB farming or any other fraudulent or manipulative conduct to influence the outcome of this event. This includes, but is not limited to, the creation or use of multiple accounts. You can see it here. You can see it here. If you create multiple accounts, they are going to block you and you're not going to get reward for those tasks you did. You understand? So make sure you only operate one account. Then you can go ahead and invite other people. So that's all for now. If today is your first time of coming across this YouTube channel, make sure you tap on the subscribe button and also leave a comment below. Then if you want to join my community where I drop testnets like the testnet airdrops like this, you will see a link to the group chat in the video description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.